6.
Who is that? Like George?
What?
Is that George sound?
This is Ryan's first time ever pulling. But I've been in a lot of hours in the seat before he got hooked to the sled. He's used to running stuff a lot bigger and tougher than this. Just not in front of a whole bunch of people. Ryan Weedmeyer out of Grass Lake. These tractors will get with it. You're going to see a little bit later, these 1066s are what they turn into the super farm tractors. They just juice them up a little bit, like with big turbos. Some of them have 2 or 3 turbos. Let's see what we got here. He's got a long way to go if he wants to get to where Ryan Ranch lives this month. This one does have the TA. He's going to bump it up, and then when he gets under power, he'll pull her back and see if he can get a little more. Like just about. Didn't do it, didn't need to.